Walking is one of the simplest ways to keep your body moving and your heart healthy. It helps your lungs work efficiently and keeps you active every day. But here's the truth. After 60, walking by itself doesn't fully protect your strength or prevent wobbly legs and unsteady balance. Even people who walk daily can still feel weaker or at risk of falling. What if there was an easy addition to your routine of just a few minutes a day that helps you maintain your strength, balance, and independence? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can stay strong, steady, and confident no matter your age. While walking keeps you moving, it can't do everything. That's where simple strength exercises come in. Spending just 5 minutes a day, one exercise for each weekday, can help you build stronger muscles, improve stability, and move around your home with ease. No special equipment, no long workouts, just quick, practical exercises that make a real difference. Let's dive in. Monday, goblet squat. Let's start with a great exercise for your legs. This works your thighs and butt the muscles that help you stand up, climb stairs, and move around without wobbling. All you need is a small dumbbell or a bag filled with books. Hold it close to your chest. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart, back straight, and stick your bottom out slightly. Bend your knees and squat down as far as is comfortable. You don't need to go super low, just enough to feel your muscles working. Push back up to standing and repeat. Focus on keeping your back straight and feeling the work in your legs and butt. Do 3 sets, stopping when you feel a good working burn in your muscles. Rest about a minute between sets. This simple move alone strengthens your legs and helps your mobility much more than just walking. By doing this, you're setting a strong foundation for the week. Your legs and glutes are activated, your balance starts improving, and your body is ready for the next move. Tomorrow, we'll switch gears and focus on your upper body with an exercise that strengthens your arms and shoulders, helping you carry, lift, and reach with more confidence. Tuesday, wall press. Today, we'll work on your upper body with the wall press. This is great for your chest, shoulders, and the backs of your arms. Pushing strength is used in everyday life, so building it really helps. All you need is a wall. Stand facing it with your hands just below shoulder height and step back about a meter. Lift slightly onto your tiptoes. Keep your back straight, bend your elbows, and lean in so your nose almost touches the wall, then push back to the starting position. If this feels too easy, step further back, or use the back of a sturdy chair instead of the wall. The closer your body is to horizontal, the harder it gets. The hardest version is a full push-up on the floor, but start where you feel comfortable. Do 3 sets of 10 to 30 reps, resting about a minute between sets. You'll feel your chest, shoulders, and arms working, and you're building strength you can use every day. By adding the wall press, you're balancing your week. Your legs got stronger yesterday, and today your upper body is getting a boost. This helps you carry groceries, push doors, or lift objects with more ease. Tomorrow, we'll shift focus to your core and balance. Exercises that tie your strength together and keep you steady on your feet. Wednesday, Romanian deadlift. Today, we'll work the muscles at the back of your body, your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. This exercise is great for posture, strength, and moving easily. You can use 2 dumbbells, a barbell, or even a broomstick to start and learn the movement. Hold the weight in front of your legs, with your knees slightly bent just a little, around 5 degrees. Keep your back straight, stick your bottom out, and slowly slide the weight down your legs until you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings. Then stand back up. A helpful trick. Imagine you're trying to touch your bottom to the wall behind you. Keep the weights close to your legs and move slowly. Stop when you feel a stretch, not pain. Do 3 sets of 5 to 15 reps, resting about a minute between sets. You should feel it mainly in the back of your legs and your glutes. If you have sciatica or lower back issues, check with a professional before trying this exercise. With the Romanian deadlift, you're strengthening the muscles that support your spine and improve your posture, making everyday movements easier and safer. Your legs, glutes, and back are getting stronger. which also helps your balance and stability. Tomorrow, we'll focus on an exercise that targets your core and balance, giving you even more control and confidence in your daily movements. Thursday, dumbbell row. Today, we'll work your upper back and arms, which are important for good posture and daily activities. This exercise targets the muscles between your shoulder blades, your lats, and the back of your shoulders, helping you stay upright and strong. You'll need a small weight, a bag, or a dumbbell, and something sturdy to support yourself, like the back of a chair against a wall. Place one hand on the chair, step the opposite leg back, and let your other arm hang down, holding the weight. Pull the weight up toward your tummy, squeezing your shoulder blade as you go, then lower it slowly. Keep your movement controlled, only your arm and shoulder blade should move, not your whole body. Do 3 sets of 10 to 30 reps per arm, resting about a minute between sets. You'll feel it in the back of your shoulders and arms, helping you stay strong for pulling tasks in everyday life. Adding the dumbbell row rounds out your week by strengthening your upper back and arms, improving posture, and giving you more control in everyday tasks. With your legs, glutes, chest, shoulders, and back all worked, tomorrow we'll finish the week with an exercise that challenges your balance and stability, tying everything together so you feel stronger and more confident moving through your day. Friday, loaded heel raise. Today we'll strengthen your calves. Your calves are important for walking, balance, and moving confidently. You'll need a small weight, like a dumbbell or a backpack, and a step such as the bottom step of a staircase. Place the front half of your feet on the step. Let your heels drop down to feel a stretch. Then push up onto your tiptoes and slowly lower back down. Focus on going all the way down and up, feeling the stretch in your calves. If it feels too easy, hold a heavier weight or do more reps. Do 3 sets of 10 to 30 reps, resting about a minute between sets. By the end of the week, you'll have stronger calves, better balance, and more power in every step you take. By finishing with the loaded heel raise, you're strengthening the muscles that keep you steady and mobile, giving you better balance and more confidence in every step. With your legs, glutes, back, arms, chest, and core all worked throughout the week, you've built a full body foundation that supports daily activities, improves posture, and reduces the risk of falls. Keep practicing these exercises regularly, and over time, you'll notice your strength, stability, and confidence growing day by day. By the end of the week, you'll have worked your whole body legs, arms, back, shoulders, and calves. These exercises target the areas that walking alone doesn't. Stick with this routine, and over time, you'll notice stronger muscles, better balance, more confidence moving around, and greater independence. It's an easy, practical way to protect your body and stay active at any age. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below to share how it went. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future routines.